You know, we have fun sometimes, but today, let's be serious. There are business opportunities coming up this weekend. And so let's give people the opportunity to know about some of these packages. I have with me in the studio Mr. Adegboye Gashito, who is from the Hantec Global Financial Services. Hello, good morning, Mr. Adegboye.
Morning,
pleasure having you on the show again.
Thank you. Yeah,
again.
Thank you.
I remember that last year we had a brief talk about this. Just
Yes.
about, I think it was in December.
We
was
run,
it earlier this year?
We run seminars twice in Lagos in a year, so definitely.
So it should have been earlier this year.
Earlier this year.
Yeah, earlier this year.
February.
And how did that go?
Successful.
Wow.
Anything
and I remember you were giving out $200 something?
$250
to people who need to trade
people,
immediately.
And also T-shirts for early birds, and then we gave out like 30 Hantec branded T-shirts for them.
Okay, so let's go back to the beginning again for people who are just watching this for the first time. What exactly does Hantec Global do?
Now, Hantec Global is a financial technology solution company, but this time around we're mixing business with pleasure because we're having e-currency trading meeting art. So there's going to be a seminar, and also there's going to be an art exhibition. And interestingly also, we have owners of Hantec coming to, in fact, they are already here in Nigeria. We have a team of like 10 foreign partners. And they will also be at the seminar teaching and talking about their experience over time. So that's the interesting thing about this seminar and exhibition that is coming up tomorrow. So it's a business opportunity to interact with successful business owners, successful traders all over the world, and it's one of its kind. It's never been done in Nigeria, where we have the e-currency trading and art exhibition going that's going to take place, you know, together.
And now that you're going to be doing an art exhibition and e-currency training, can you run down some of the other programs that will be there and what people would have the opportunity to do? Because I remember the last one, you had the opportunity to be trained, you had money given out for trading, and you could practicalize it right there immediately.
Now, number one, the program is taking place at the Podium, and it's actually a big international event center. And it's going to start from 10 a.m. The expectation is, one, to open the eyes of people to the opportunities that lies in this business. Now, the use of data productively is the new oil. So that means we can drill oil, so to say, with our hands, and it's an independent process. We just need to understand how this thing is done, and I tell you, there is no limit to how much we can make from this market. So apart from the exhibition and the seminar that will be taking place, we have some ads on, like Hantec branded T-shirts for the first 30 people that will be on board. And also we have raffle draws for those that will, all the participants, they are entitled to win $250 each, which they will have to use in trading on their accounts. So these are the things that is added to what we will be doing on Saturday, and it's taking place this Saturday. That's tomorrow at the Podium. The Podium International Event Center is at Aromire Avenue off Allen. So it's a place that everybody knows, and we just need to move there. 10 a.m. tomorrow we start. No African time, with starting in earnest.
Now let's look at the viability of forex trading. Quite a number of people feel that trading is all about buying clothing and exchanging clothing, and buying soap and exchange. You know, it looks like trading is about commodity. But let's look at the viability of forex itself as a business.
Now, the forex market, we will be explaining this in details tomorrow. You know, is divided into two areas. We have what we call the over-the-counter
Yes.
process, and also we have the derivative market.
Yeah.
Now, the online trading falls into the derivative aspect of the market,
Okay.
in which you will buy currencies and sell online.
Okay.
Now, the word derivative means that it is derived from the original market price. So that means the banks, the major banks in the world, everybody is looking at the market to understand or to know where the current market price is. And interestingly, because we worked in the banking industry for 14, 15 years, there's no bank that does not approach or that does not look at the chart to determine the current, to know the current market price. So, and this is what they use in determining the rate that they give to their customers, and definitely will lead to them making money on those decisions. Okay. And this is what we bring into individuals, because the FX market, the online trading market, is decentralized. So that means individuals can come into this market, learn how to drill their own oil and start making money.
Now, our own oil, according to you now, should be other sectors, and you're particularly pushing forward the Forex as one of the new potential, money-making ventures that Nigerians can go into. How soon would you begin to see results when you go into this?
No, it's a journey, and that's what we tell people. It's a journey, and the earlier you start this journey, the better for you. The training process is max 2-3 weeks, where you have the basic foundation of how to grow. Now, it's not a sprint race, it's a marathon, it's a journey, and therefore, after that basic foundation, you can build on that, and there's no limit to the level or the potential that accrue for that individual.
Now, let's go back.
It's limitless.
Let's go back to the issue of your event tomorrow. If I come for the event tomorrow, can you reel out some of the programs that you have for us?
Now, the program is going to start from 10 to 2 o'clock, where we have the major seminar, and then we now have the art exhibition. Now, the art exhibition is anchored by the chairman of Hantec, Mr. Tang, who is already in the country, and with his team. Interestingly, we have the dignitaries that will be coming also. We don't need to mention their names here. And he is showcasing 30 years in business.
Wow.
He's been in this business. By March next year, we're going to have a 30-year anniversary celebration. So he's showcasing how this has helped him evolve from nobody to somebody. And that's what we will be seeing in pictures in the art exhibition. So people also will have the opportunity to meet this gentleman. As I will say, he's an old man, but when your mind is active, I consider anybody that's still very gentle and young, opportunity to see them. And just yesterday or this week, Jack Ma is in the country, so that means coming with investors. That means that we have a lot of potentials in this country, and the earlier we start looking at it as individuals, that we need to take the bull by the horn ourselves. That's what this seminar and this exhibition is all about, to see what this thing can actually translate to.
How can people reach you, for those who want to, participate in the seminar tomorrow?
Now, we have a number on the screen. They are to send their name space Lagos to that number.
So that's Tomisi Ojo space Lagos to 080
56905612. So they're to send their number, their name and location to that number, and then they will receive a notification from us inviting them for the seminar.
Is it free?
It's free. The seminar is free, and for early birds, as we explained also, the first 30 will go with Hantec branded t-shirts. And also we have a lot of souvenirs.
Is there money this year?
Because
Because you've not mentioned money since.
We have
so that I can get the early.
We have $250 also for it's a raffle draw, so it's not dependent on how early you come for the seminar.
Okay.
It's a raffle draw, and before everybody we will pick the winners, this time around, and they will go through our internal process of getting approval, start trading. They will use that as their initial capital to start trading, and by the time they start, they will understand that this is the future. We don't assume the future. The future is what we do today. While working in the financial industry, I wasn't too comfortable, because my question is, what does the future hold? After some time, if I'm getting too old, they will tell me to go. So I need to start something that I will not retire from. And I tell you, if we get involved in this thing, and with Hantec Global, we'll tell you how to do this thing the right way, how to grow your capital, how to understand the risk assessment on this market. And there's no limit, because we have practical examples of how this thing works.
Give us the number again before we call it a wrap.
Now, to show interest in our program tomorrow, you have to send your name, space Lagos, to that number 08056905612, and the event is taking place at the Podium International Event Center, 31B Aromire Avenue. It's off Allen, off Adeniyi Jones. So these are two popular avenues that we have around Ikeja. You can't miss it when you get to Adeniyi Jones. You can't miss it when you get to Allen. Aromire Avenue is just in between.
Thank you so much for coming on the show. It's been a pleasure. Daisy is going to be giving me all of those tiny little bit of things that she has for me today. I told you we have to end on a fun note. I'm just going to be taking a little 1-minute break with Mr. Fowokwe. Mr. Fowokwe, good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Next time you come for my show, I'm going to box you, as in I box you on set that people will think is a joke. We're going to fight. It's a fight. But I want you to add a word or two to what Mr. Boyegashito had done. He had done a fantastic job telling people about what you have tomorrow. So just look into the camera and please tell people what you have.
Okay, actually tomorrow we'll be having a unique event at the Podium. It's unique in the sense that we are having a seminar, and it's a blend of a art exhibition. And we are having our foreign partners coming in, 9 of them. The owner of Hantec Group, who is based in Hong Kong, will also be coming. And then from what my colleagues have said, we'll be sharing information about how to trade profitably in the forex market. And during the art exhibition, people will have an opportunity to network and discuss better. It's going to be, it's a one kind of event in Nigeria, and we want people to come and be a partaker of what we'll be dishing out. And it's simple. Anybody who is interested, who wants to learn how to make more money trading FX, learning from the experts at the Podium, all they have to do is to reserve a seat and send their name, Lagos, to 08056905612, and that way they will reserve our space. We have limited space. It promises to be very explosive because our foreign partners are there. People can ask questions, people can network, and people can learn, and also people can come around, share one of few things that they know or what they want to get from other people. So it's going to be very, very unique.
And I'm looking forward to being there tomorrow, because you're going to be giving some hard work, some math works.
Exactly.
Let's